Namaste and welcome to all my dear learner. My name is Rahul Ahirrao and today's our topic of discussion is ethics. As we know, various ethics or we can say moral or common manners regarding schools, colleges, temples or offices like honesty, commitment, integrity, trust, reliability, transparency, social responsibility, etc. etc. So let us see what are the ethics of pharmacy. So pharmaceutical ethics we will see in this video. Before that, let us go through learning outcome. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand or define ethics and law. You also able to define the difference between ethics and law. Let us see definitions. Ethics. In short, we can define it as it means a moral principle or it is a science of moral duty. In brief, it is a rules by which a profession regulates actions and sets standard for all its member. That is, it is the rules designed by a particular organization for his profession to regulate his profession and sets the some standard for his profession. But if these are ethics related to pharmacy profession, then we call it as pharmaceutical ethics. Then let us see the definition of law. Law, again, it is the rules of human conduct binding all person in a state or nation. So ethics and law both are the rules, but law are related to human being, those are present in state or nation. Let us see in brief in further slide. So question comes, law and ethics both are the rules. So what is the difference between ethics and law? Think over it. Keep your answer in your mind or keep in your notebook and let us tally with this video. Let us see difference between law and ethics. Law, first difference, it is the rules of human conduct binding all person in a state or nation. This means that these are rules which bind all persons, that is, he might be businessman, farmer, employee, employer, student, etc. of state or nation. So law is governed by generally government body of state or nation. Ethics, it is rules by which profession regulates action and sets standards for all its members. This means that these are the rules with the name help of them professional organization regulates their profession. For example, various organizations like hospitals, schools, colleges, temples, etc. Second difference, law prevent one from causing injury to another but it cannot force him to help. For example, following the driving rules will ultimately prevent the injury to others, whereas helping the neighbor is the function of ethics. The best example, keeping silence in offices or schools will help others to carry out their work. Third difference, law is something you must have to obey. For example, while driving, you have to follow driving rules. In case of ethics, is how society expect you to behave. For example, keeping silence expected in temple and offices from the people. Fourth difference between law deals with actions are punishable, where ethics deals with right or wrong. Fifth difference between law are written, approved with legal status and signatured document, where ethics are again written words but not carrying any legal status. So law having the legal status, so we can utilize it for legal aspect. Sixth difference between law, if law is broken, a violator may be subjected to punishment in the form of fine or imprisonment. But if you break the ethics, the professional body may subject violator to loss of his professional privilege. For example, for ethics, if rules are broken, the best example is school or college organizational body terminates the student admission due to misbehave in colleges, so this is the professional loss of the student. So this is all about the difference between law and ethics. Hope you will understand the difference between law and ethics. Thanks for watching this video.